Hi, in today's video from Howstuffinmycarworks channel, I'm going to show you how to change the fuel injector in a Firebird equipped with the LT1 engine. How we determined the injector was the cause of the misfire. We started the engine and using the stethoscope. With the engine running, put the stethoscope on, and with the tip, you touch the body of the injectors to find out which one is not working. If you're wondering what makes an injector bad, when you're listening, there will be a ticking sound if they're still good. And when an injector's bad, you won't hear anything. Now this is when the injector is not working at all. Now there is the possibility that your injector is clogged, and if it's clogged you can hear it a little bit. And that's not what's happening here. You won't hear anything at all if it's not working. Now we know which injector is not working because we don't hear a clicking sound. Our next step is to see if the injector is receiving a signal from the computer. And to do that test, we're going to use this Noid light. In this vehicle, the injector that is bad is on the driver's side rear. Before starting the repair, make sure and disconnect your negative battery cable. With a screwdriver, relieve the fuel pressure on the schrader valve. Remove the fuel rail retaining bolts. Once the bolts are removed, you can lift the fuel rail by each end straight up. And if for some reason yours does not come out easy, you can go ahead and get a pry bar. Gently pry each injector until you're able to lift it out. Press on the metal clip here to disconnect the injector. Slide this little metal clip back. Remove the injector. Apply a light coat of petroleum jelly to the sills here. Next, install the injector back on the rail. Before you push the rail down, use some petroleum jelly to coat those sills. on the other injectors. Once the injector's installed, everything's reconnected, bolts are on tight, go ahead and start your engine. Now that everything's installed, I'm going to start the engine and see how it runs. Car runs great. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to change the injectors on your LT1 Firebird. Have a great day.